Hello friends, welcome to Commerce Gyan. In the business environment lecture series, we are going to discuss about type of business organization. So here we are going to discuss about sole proprietorship, partnership, joint stock company and cooperative society. So now let's see type of business organization. The various legal forms in which a particular business can be organized and managed are called form of business organization, right? So here is particular business or business can be organized and managed, and it is also a legal form, right? So it is known as the form of business organization. And here is the profit maximization is the common objective of all type of business organization. So here profit maximization is the key objective. A particular business may be established in private or public sector, and this business can be established either by a single individual or group of people. So as per their sector and nature of the ownership, different form of business organization are available, and which are as follows. So this one is sole proprietorship, partnership, joint stock company and cooperative society. So now let's see each one here. So first one is sole proprietorship. So this is a single person business which is not registered with the state as a limited liability company. So here it is a single person business, right? And it is not registered with the state, that is the government. So as a it is not registered with the government as a limited liability or corporation, so it is known as the sole proprietorship. This firm can be easily established and anyone can form such business enterprise without any hardship, right? So this can be easily established and without any hardship. So here are some questions based on the sole proprietorship. You can read this and solve it, right? Now let's see next one. What is the partnership? So when two or more individuals start a business where all or one of them manage the business and profit are equally shared among them, it is called the partnership. So here two or more individuals can come and start a business, and they manage and the profit equally shared among them, right? So that is known as the partnership. So here some question also given on the partnership. So please look and solve it, and if possible write the answer in the comment section. Next one we have joint stock company. So when a member of shareholder having limited liability establish a business and form a board of director to manage the same, it is called the joint stock company, right? So in case of here joint stock company, it is the having limited liability and they establish board of director to manage the same company, and it is right. So here in this case we have board of director, and this board of director manage the company, and here shareholder have limited liability also, right? So shareholder have limited liability. So here there are some question also based on the this one, so please solve. And next one is the cooperative society. So a cooperative society is a legal entity which is owned and controlled by the group of persons having common motive. There are several attributes of the cooperative like elected board of the director and administrative staff and definite lifespan, limited liability, etc. So it is a legal entity, right? And here this is owned and controlled by a group of persons. They have common motives. So on the cooperative society we have here two question, please solve it. And next we have, so right, this is also last question. Most popular form of business organization is sole proprietorship, company, partnership, joint Hindu family business, right? So answer this one is in comment section, right? So that's it from this video. Thanks for watching.